Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a closer look at a camera that pushes the Micro Four Thirds system to its absolute limits, the OM system Olympus OM-1 Mark II paired with the M.Zuiko digital ED 12-40mm F2.8 Pro II lens. If you've been searching for a compact, weather-sealed, pro-grade hybrid camera built for speed, portability, and reliability in any shooting environment, this one deserves your full attention. The OM-1 Mark II builds on the iconic Olympus legacy with a rugged IP53 rated weather-sealed body that's made to survive rain, snow, and dust-heavy conditions without hesitation. Inside, you get the improved 20MP Stacked Live MOS sensor and the advanced TruePic X engine, delivering faster readout, cleaner low-light performance, and beautifully detailed images that punch far above a Micro Four Thirds size. Wildlife shooters, sports shooters, and nature filmmakers will especially appreciate the blazing fast 120 frames per second burst mode and industry-leading AI-based subject detection that can track birds, animals, motorsports, and even helicopters with shockingly accurate precision. The included 12-40mm F2.8 Pro II lens is a standout on its own, sharp corner-to-corner, constant f/2.8 aperture, minimal breathing, and a tank-like design that matches the camera's durability. Whether you're shooting landscapes at 12mm, portraits at 40mm, or everyday scenes on the go, this combo gives you versatility without the weight of a full-frame setup. And for video creators, you get 4K 60p, improved color profiles, powerful 5-axis IBIS delivering up to 7.5 stops, and that signature Olympus color science that many filmmakers swear by for its natural, rich tones. If you're looking for a camera that's compact enough to travel, tough enough for the outdoors, and fast enough for professional action work, this setup delivers exactly that. Stick around for more amazing gear reviews, and if this combo fits what you need, don't forget to check it out and buy it using the link below. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for your next upgrade.